Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a view in Airtable. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into your Airtable account. And once you're in here, go to a workspace. For example, this workspace right here. I'm just going to click on it and wait for it to load. All right. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go to the left panel. And as you can see here, we have this section called Create. And below it are the type of views. For example, the grid right here. When you click on it, you'll be able to create a new grid view that you can use to configure your table. Calendar, gallery, and Kanban. All right. Timeline, list view, and Gantt. All right. If you want to use a timeline Gantt and to add a new section, well, make sure that you have the team plan. Now, going back to the topic, I'm just going to create a simple view right here. For example, Kanban. If you want to, you can go ahead and edit the name right here. All right. If not, just leave it as is. And here we have collaborative and personal. So if you want this particular view to be edited or viewed by anyone that is in your organization, use collaborative, right? If not, if this is for only you, all right, go ahead and use personal. Once that's done, just click on create new view. And here you have your new Kanban under your personal views, all right? If you want to create a Kanban for collaborative views right here, as you can see, again, just go ahead and click on Kanban and make sure that collaborative is selected and create new. There you go. Now, when you click on Kanban, it will ask you which single select, collaborator, or linked record fields would you like to use for this Kanban view. Your projects will be stacked based on this field. For example, I'm just going to select create a new single field and a field name right here. Just go ahead and rename it if you want to. And once done, just hit on the blue button. There you go. It says and categorize right here. Now you could go ahead and add a column right here. For example, done, doing, like that. Okay, and you can move these cards right here to these columns. All right, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.